Edgar, good question. I saw your review of the 2022 FX Limited. You mentioned that the GPS map card is included. My dealer says it's not included. Was wondering about that. All I have is the information that they gave me at the time. Mind you, this is a few weeks before the official release. This is what the agencies and the media representatives tell me, tell Pro Rider, tell Jerry Gaddis at Green Hulk, all the other boating magazines. So if they say X, I repeat that because I have to take them at their word. Just say Yamaha told us this. What they said was that when you bought one, you got one car or you got one map that was uploaded for your general area, and then any other maps beyond that were extra. That was what they detailed to us. If Yamaha changed their tune halfway through, I don't know what to tell you.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.